I'm Melvin. I'm doing the Camino Portugués. So I wanted to do a video covering everything that I'm packing for this trip. This is the Osprey Talon 33 in small, which means it's a 30 liter. I have in here a cover, rain cover for it. And I did also get a liner that's to maintain anything that's inside completely dry in case we get into really heavy rain and something happens with my rain cover. That's like a second layer of protection. If I ever upgrade from that backpack, I will probably go smaller, try to fit into a smaller bag. I really like their 23 liter version of that backpack. Since we're going during the fall season, which is going to be a little bit colder, I am taking a sleeping bag, which we did not do for last year's summer Camino in the Camino del Norte. This is by Nemo. It's the Disco. It weighs only about 2 pounds. It packs fairly small. This we got specifically for this trip, so I'll report on that to see if it worked out good or not. For rain, I have the Patagonia Torrent shell. For my outfits, I like to do running shorts and shirts, mainly because they're quick dry, they're super light, they're meant to be, to handle a lot of friction. A typical outfit, I would have a running short. This is from REI. I did cut away the liner because I can't stand liners. I do have ExOfficio underwear that's super breathable. And then for shirts, I got a Capilene Trail or Hike, I think it's called, and a Capilene Everyday. It's a synthetic material, but it feels it really feels almost like cotton. So it's super soft. It is treated for odor as well. I will be taking 3 outfits in total. So 2 hiking outfits, which are running shorts, running t-shirt, the ExOfficio underwear, and darn tough socks. These are the same socks we used in the last Camino. These socks are absolutely incredible. They do not smell, which is a big deal for the amount of BO that I produce during the Camino, or anybody produces during the Camino. So 3 outfits in total. 2 of them are that setup. The 3rd outfit is the outfit I would wear at night when we get to the albergue. And because we're going during the fall, I picked some long pants that I got last year in Spain. And then the socks for that night are half crew socks as opposed to the no-show ankle socks that I wear during my hike. This is mainly in case I need warmth. I want to be prepared. I also have these compression sleeves for my calves. Last year, I did not take any long pants, and I was freezing in the plane and in the train rides, and I just slipped these on with my shorts, and it's if I had long pants, so they worked really good. I have this buff for my neck, for my head, as an eye cover, so kind of like a multi-purpose thing. This is a windbreaker I have from Outdoor Research. It packs into itself. It weighs nothing. And it's a nice layer for somebody like me who's kind of runs warmer. So clothes is out of the way. remaining parts I have are different kits. I have a laundry kit in a nice little baggie. This is half a soap of laundry soap. I have a few of these pins for drying your clothes. And I have a bungee cord that came very useful in the last Camino, that where we found ourselves in places where there was no more space on the hanging cord. So I just threw that line somewhere and hung my clothes. We used it twice last year, so highly recommend. And then this is the first aid kit. This baggie just has pills. I don't require any pills, but these are some allergy medicine, some painkillers, you know, like ibuprofen, some Alka-Seltzer, just some basics in case. And then the first aid kit is mainly a blister kit, and this has sheep's wool. It has leukotape, some antiseptic, needle and thread, and some assorted band-aids just in case. We found that really you're always near some sort of pharmacy or store. There's really no need to carry a lot of things. And then on my shower kit, I have this micro fiber towel. I have half a soap of like a generic soap that I can use to wash my hair, to wash my hands, wash my body. Deodorant, travel size, regular toothbrush, travel size toothpaste, lip balm. I am taking shaving cream this time. Maybe I'll take it out last minute. For shaving, this is from Harry's shaving blade. I am not taking the handle because it weighs a lot, and you can just go like this. Gets a little bit of getting used to, but it's doable for a couple of weeks. Cocoa butter. I really like the smell of cocoa butter. I don't typically do it often here at home, but at the Camino, after being a whole day walking out and such a strong VO, taking a shower and coming out smelling like cocoa is nice. Totally recommend it. Next, for my tech kit, I have a 10 milliamp battery. Has USB-C, USB-A. It can charge itself at the same time that it charges your device. So when you get to the albergue, you can charge this and charge your device at the same time. A few cables and adapters, my headphones, European adapter. This Anker Nano 3. Last year, I took a DJI Osmo Pocket. I mostly shot stuff on the iPhone on the last Camino, except when we were walking, I had that Osmo Pocket camera. This year, though, I wanted something that was waterproof. I'm taking this. This is a DJI Action 4. It's similar to the GoPro, maybe a little bit better than the GoPro, I would say. My favorite part, it's got a magnetic mounting system. So like this is like a pretty long selfie stick. And this can just mount super easily like that, right? You can use it, and then whenever you're done, you just go like that, take it out. I'm trying this out. It's supposed to be fairly steady, and the idea is if I need to do anything where I need to be like hands-free, I can just mount it here. This is a little bit heavier than I would like, but last year in the Camino, I had taken my laptop because we went for 5 weeks. So I ended up doing some remote work the last 2 weeks that I was there. I swore I would never carry that much weight. I would not bring a laptop. This year, I'm not taking a laptop because we're only going for 2 weeks. But I am taking a camera. The camera I'm taking, it is a Sony a6700. This new camera just came out this year. So I pulled the trigger. I sold my old full frame camera and lenses and downgraded. It's an upgrade really, but if you care about full frame, it's a downgrade. If you care about other things, I would consider an upgrade. At the end of the day, my pack will be about the same weight as last year. Just a couple more things. Bags, really tiny bags. This is a shopping bag, one of those shopping bags. We use that for when we go buy groceries or want to throw your laundry in there. And then as far as packing my stuff inside of my pack, I use these tiny bags. This is by Sea2 Summit. The way I like to pack is I'll put my whole outfit for a particular day, like all together in one bag, right? Like, so that's my shorts, my shirt, and underwear, and socks, right? So this is all self-contained, one whole outfit, and air it up. And I just have it ready, and this is how it goes in my backpack. And that means that whenever I need to reach for this, I don't need to go dig through a bunch of things to find one underwear and then dig through another stuff for socks. I just know this is my hiking outfit. I just grab this. This is everything inside. The other few things I have, a drying rag, and it's for drying your feet, because when your feet are super wet, you want to stop at some point when it stops raining and dry your feet, and this is essential. And then for snacks, just right off the go, we're taking, again, some liquid IVs. These are energy multipliers and hydration powders that you mix into your water. This is super strong, so they're concentrated. You just put a little bit. This is basically turns any water into a Gatorade and just kind of revitalizes you when you're running out of energy. And then I'm taking 3 bars from Aloha, mostly for like that first 1-2 days that we're going to have of travel, where we might end up, on a really long stretch without, anything to eat, or we might get there and everything's closed, like, you don't know. So I think that's about it. Thank you so much. Again, I want to stress, you don't need any of this. All you need is a good pair of shoes, a comfortable backpack. Honestly, the less you carry, the better. That's one thing we learned in the Camino, is how little you actually need in life to go far. But it's an exciting process for us, this whole getting ready and figuring out what would work and what wouldn't. So I hope this was of use to you and you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, if you want to continue getting our content. All right, bye.